There are a lot of speculations about home buyers, what they do, what they don't do, and the rumors are good and bad. So today we're going to clear the air. Here are 4 things you should know about selling your home to a direct home buyer. The first thing you should know is when you're working with a legit home buyer like Now Property Investments, the offer that they give you is usually the offer that they can stand on. You don't have to worry about if you get your home under contract, kind of like if you put your home on the MLS with a realtor, the buyer coming back saying, no, we need X, Y, Z repaired because our inspector said that it needs to be repaired, or we won't be able to get the funds to actually purchase a house. When you get that house under contract, or when the home buyer gets the home under contract, usually they're able to purchase a home as is, no repairs needed, so you can sleep well at night knowing that the number that you got is the number that you will receive at the day of closing. The second thing is when you're working with a home buyer, you know that you're going to get a fair price. And the reason that you know you're going to get a fair price is that most of the time the home buyer, if you're working with a legit home buyer, they're going to give you what has been sold in the neighborhood. They're going to let you know what repairs need to be done to the house and what type of spread that they need to be able to make this work for them and also make it work for you. So a lot of times people that are selling to direct home buyers, they understand they're not going to get the market value because the house isn't worth the market value right now. The house is worth the as-is value. So the as-is value is whatever the market value is subtracted by whatever repairs needs to be done to that exact house, and subtracted by whatever the home buyer can possibly make on that house afterwards, because there is a risk to reward ratio. So there has to be a win-win situation for both the home buyer and for the homeowner. The third reason is that home buyers are able to have faster closings. So the reason most homeowners come to home buyers is because they're either in a financial crisis and need to sell their home fast, or they're looking for speed and convenience. So when you're working with a home buyer, especially ones like Now Property Investments, they're able to close within 14 days, sometimes 10 days, and we've closed up to like 7 days before, maybe even 5, I believe. One time we did like 5, but that's just if the title was clean and we were able to, get it done a lot faster. But most of the time it's like 14 days or under. And the last and most important thing is when you're working with a home buyer, you know that they're on your side. Most home buyers that are legit are looking for a win-win situation for the homeowner and for the home buyer. So if you're looking for a win-win situation, go to our website today, nowpropertyinvest.com.